Hi everyone, welcome back. I was a bit unsure whether to do a video for today with everything that's been going on, but it's kind of my therapy, so here we are. I found this foil and it inspired me to do this set. And Paris is all about love, the city of love, so why not do a little Paris-inspired nail set? So COVID has finally been evicted. We lost our family pet on Wednesday. That was very, very difficult. I'm not going to delve into any more about that because I'll get very upset. So I've grabbed some medium almond full cover tips and I'm just going straight in with a base coat. I do have a little bit of good news actually. We've had so much bad luck since Christmas. If you've watched videos before, you'll understand what I'm on about. If you are a long time subscriber, you would have known I had an Etsy shop last year that got permanently suspended in July, August time. And I had loads of money in my account and it just dwindled away. I wasn't allowed to make any transactions, like withdraw my money or anything. And I was sitting at my computer emailing my school, not my school, my daughter's school, because we've had some issues there as well. And I had an email through from Etsy to say my funds are available and they have paid me everything back. So that helped so much, and just finally a little bit of good luck coming our way, hopefully. So they've been cured and I grabbed Beetles A387. It's a beautiful nude colour and that is going on the thumb and the ring finger. And I end up doing 2 coats for both. Don't actually need it on the thumb because we're going to be putting full cover foil all over it. So you don't actually have to do 2 coats on that. Then I grabbed these. These are from the Beetles Pastel Paradise collection. I think it came out last year. I did a giveaway. Someone won the whole collection on my channel last year. I'm going to use the pink, the purple and the blue. So it's A478, A481 and A482 out of that collection. So we've put the pink on the index finger. The blue is going on the pinky, and then we'll do something special for the middle finger. That pink and the blue are going to have 2 coats as well, just like that. So pretty. So originally I thought this foil would match the Paris foil really well. It's got the pinks, the purples and the blues, but when it comes to a plain, like it hasn't got any like details or anything on the foil, when you're going to do something like this over a whole nail, sometimes it it doesn't fully cover, you'll have gaps and stuff, and I wasn't prepared for that, so I thought, you know what, we'll just use gel polish and we'll do an ombre with pink, purple and blue. So because there's only 3 colours, I'm just going to divide that nail into thirds. The top third will be blue, middle will be purple and the bottom will be pink, and I'm going to use the ombre brush from Madame Glam to ombre that all together. So that is all 5, all done with their 2 coats of colour. So we're going to work on the thumb first, and I've grabbed the Madame Glam. This is out of the advent calendar. I usually use McCart's foil glue gel, but I thought, you know what, we'd never use this. I think I've used it once, possibly twice, in literally like 1.5 months. I always forget I've got it and I just reach for the McCart one all the time. So I use that one instead. And I'm just measuring out how much foil I need to trim off. And then the best way for me to do it is I put the foil down onto the nail so it's just touching the highest part of the nail, the highest point. And then I'll run my finger up to the cuticle and down to the tip. And then I'll try and gently smooth it all out, starting with the middle and then smoothing it all towards the edges. So there is a few bits that I'm missing, but I'm not too bothered by it, to be honest, because we've got that base colour underneath. Yeah, I think it's all right. I think it blends in quite well, so we can't notice it too much. So I wanted to do the same design on the ring finger, but we're just going to do, so I've matted that whole nail, that nude nail, and then I've just grabbed the foil glue gel from Madame Glam and I've put it just on the tip. I've created French basically with the foil, and then we're going to cure that again for 1 minute. And then I like to leave the foil glue, once it's cured, I bring it out of the lamp and then I leave it for another 1 to 2 minutes. With the McCart one, I cure it for 2 full minutes and then I leave it out of the lamp for the same amount of time as well. And I've never really had any problems, but the same with this, again, it hasn't, I don't know, some of the foil didn't transfer. So I had to add a little bit more foil glue gel, cure it and add a little bit more of the foil. And then I've grabbed, Born Pretty, their silver glitter flake top coat, and I've put that over the 2 nails that have the foil and the ombre that we did. And then I grabbed these flowers that we hardly ever use, hardly ever. So I've grabbed the McCart rhinestone glue gel and the index and the ring finger. And for the index finger, it's going to go, well, you can see, can't you, along the cuticle and then down the left hand side of the nail. And I'm trying to use a mixture, so I just want the pinks, purples and blues. I do throw a few whites in as well actually, but there's 2 or 3 different sizes, so I want to make use of that and not use all of the same size flower. So I've gone for the dark purple, pale bluey colour. I'm going to use the dark pink, just mix and match, yeah. Until it looks kind of okay, I suppose. I wanted it to be Paris, you know, like City of Love and all that, but when it was finished, it kind of reminded me of like a Japanese, Chinese cherry blossom nail. So make of it what you will. And then we're going to do the exact same thing to the pinky, but for the pinky I only add 3 or 4 of the flowers. I use 1 big one and 3 little ones for the pinky, and they just go down the right hand side of the cuticle. So I put them in the lamp to cure, and when I got them back out, they were a different colour. And then I realised that these guys, did you see the quick change there? They change colour under the UV lamp or the LED lamp. So now they're like oranges and yellows and greens, but hopefully they will turn back and they'll be the same colour again. So I've added a little bit of No Wipe Top Coat to my palette and put a little blob in each of the centre of the flowers, and I'm just adding tiny caviar beads to the small flowers and larger ones to the big ones. And then I grabbed some more of that top coat and just wedged it in between all the gaps tops of the flowers and added some more caviar beads into there. And I did that on the pinky as well, but the pink, the index finger, once I'd finished adding these caviar beads in, wasn't too happy with how it turned out. I'm not sure whether I should have kept them in or not. You'll have to let me know what you think. I just thought there was a bit too much silver beads going on. But to tie in some of that silver beads and the flakes of the top coat, we needed to add something to hide that line as well that foil had left on the French nail. So just grabbed Madame Glam's silver, what's it called? Silver gel paint. And did the French line with that, and we are done. So I went and matte top coated everything, and I'm so happy with how they've turned out. They're so cute. Let me know what you guys thought of this design and the video, and I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone that has passed on their well wishes and their prayers and their hugs and their love, everything. All your messages have been really heartfelt, and they've meant a lot to me, and I really appreciate it. Thank you. Just thank you for being here. I really do appreciate it, more than I think you will ever know. So thank you very much, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.